Welcome to the Social Networking Gateway demo. I am Alison and I shall take you through this demo. We offer comprehensive, feature-rich frameworks and reusable cartridges for developing a wide range of social conversations-based apps for C2C, B2B and other enterprise segments. Social Networking Gateway or SNG is an aggregator framework which aggregates multiple social networks like Google+, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Yammer, Instagram, and mail services like Google Mail and Yahoo Mail. SNG manages interactions with mushrooming social networks, and provides the abstraction layer for third-party applications to interact with them. That is, all these social networks and mail services become accessible through a single platform, which makes it easier for the user to converse with his or her contacts across the networks. It records all the transactions that happen on this platform into data files. Data analytics can be performed on these data files by analytics engines. It is also a cloud-ready architecture which can be deployed on a private cloud, and a cluster-ready architecture which can be deployed on JBoss clusters. SNG polls for notifications from Facebook and Yammer, and maintains them in an AirGear push server, which can be hooked onto any of the clients like iOS, Android or web apps. All these services are exposed via the REST layer, which makes it easier for the clients to communicate with SNG. Besides unified content access on the supported social networks, SNG provides unified calendar, addressing and also unified search, location and feeds options to the user. User can post text, pre-hosted images, or video URLs to social networks. User can view the details of his or her contacts over the networks. User can receive direct messages from his or her friends, or contacted. The Gmail and Yahoo Mail services have been integrated, with the View Inbox, Compose and Forward Mail features incorporated. Let's now see a small demonstration of an application that uses SNG. First, we enter the required registration details and register with SNG. Next, we sign in using the username and password. To connect to any of the social networks, click on the Social Network Connect buttons. For instance, to connect to Facebook, click the Facebook Connect button here. Once you are on the Facebook login page, enter your Facebook login credentials and sign in. You are now connected to Facebook via SNG. We shall now proceed to have a look at the various features that SNG supports. Update status. Type in your update and post it. View your Facebook account details. Your friends list. Your last updates. Your feeds. You can also like a feed or comment on it. Similarly, the user can connect to all social networks supported by SNG and avail these demonstrated features for all of them. For instance, let's take the Get Friends feature. User can avail it for the currently connected social networks like Twitter, Instagram, and Google+. The user can also connect to mail services like Gmail and Yahoo Mail via SNG. To view the Gmail inbox, click on the Gmail button in the sidebar. To view each mail body, click on the View button visible against each mail. Moving on to the Schedule Posts feature, the user can schedule an update, a text message or an image to be posted to any of the social networks at any time. Type in your post to be scheduled. Pick the date on which you want it to be posted, and hit the Post button to schedule it. You can also bulk schedule your posts here. Choose the file containing the details of the posts to be scheduled, and hit the Post button. View the posts you have already scheduled in the Scheduled Updates tab. You also have an option to delete the posts that you have scheduled in the past, if they are not already due. Now moving on to demonstrating calling features using Kandy on SNG. Registration with SNG is now updated to receive one more field called Kandy User. Choose an option Yes if registering user is a Kandy user too, otherwise choose an option No. After successful registration to SNG, user is able to log into SNG using her credentials. After logging in, a user may connect to social networks like Facebook or Twitter. Also he is able to use SNG features like getting friends list of the connected social network. On clicking Call tab, a user will get this window. Here the user has to provide her Kandy domain and user ID. This page redirects to Kandy login page. In order to log into Kandy, the user has to provide API key along with user credentials received from Kandy. On successful login, the user will be redirected to Kandy homepage. A user can view a list of all users registered with SNG. The user connected both Kandy and a social network has a green dot while users connected to only SNG has a red dot. A user can post an update to Facebook and or Twitter from here. Post an update is SNG feature that is integrated with Kandy features. Search for contacts is a Kandy feature allowing the user to search for other users in the same domain. Search is based on username, place the username to find in same domain. After getting users list in the Kandy domain as results on empty username search, a user may add these users to her address book. My Kandy address book is updated on add or remove operation on the user. The address book display all Kandy users in the address book along with an option to remove them from it. In My Kandy contacts all information related to Kandy users is displayed like emailed, her presence, and options to make the voice call, video call and text chatting. Option to accept a call or reject a call. On accepting a voice call, user can listen to the voice from other Kandy user, and options to end call, hold call or transfer call. On accepting a video call, both users are able to listen to the voice and watch the video. Also, users may end call, hold call or transfer call. Along with a voice or video call, user also have the option to text chat with same or any other users in her contacts. That's all for now folks. Have a good day. Keep watching this space for more.